Hey loves, today we're going to do a major unboxing. This is from the last week or so and I don't want this to continue to pile up and get too massive, so we're going to open up everything together and see what new goodies there are in makeup. So grab a snack, get cozy, and let's get into it. So let's start with these little envelopes up top. First up, we have one of my favorite things ever, cuticle oil from Happy Cuticle. Ooh, and this is the new fall collection. Thank you so much. Her name is Ashley from Happy Cuticle. There is a little coupon code here. It says thanks 10 will give you 10% off your order. These are literally little cuticle oil pens and they have new fall scents. If you guys have not tried these, you need to, because you're going to be supporting a small business, but also they smell delicious. They're so hydrating. So you just twist it up and then the oil comes out. This one is pumpkin and buttercream, and then you just apply it to your nails. This is a must, especially now that it's going to start getting cold. Cuticle oil is just a must, honestly, all year round. I even love to apply this on my toes, and it smells so good, and it also hydrates your skin, so it's a win-win. These are also really affordable, so definitely check them out. Thank you so much for these. Next up, we have Basma, now available in store at Sephora. This is, oh, the complexion brush. They have really good cream blushes and I like their stick foundation. Thank you, Basma Beauty. Now see, that right there is what I'm talking about. That looks like a perfect cream blush or bronzer brush, I mean. Thank you so much. This feels so nice. It's a good size. I love the pink. This is gonna be great for cream products. Thank you, Basma Beauty. Another little envelope here. Harley Quinn and Essence. You guys know Catrice and Essence are like, they go hand in hand. Oh, it's a little collab. It's the Joker collab with Catrice. Very pretty packaging. I think the color story is also very fun and unique. Oh my gosh, they sent a little gift card too. It says enjoy the movie on us. Little AMC card. Thank you so much. I love Essence and Catrice. The makeup bag is really pretty too. It's like a silicone bag. Next up, we have Hailey's Beauty. Got my handy dandy scissors. Brand new foundation. It says roll out the matte. That's cute. This is the new Reset Flawless Matte Foundation from Hailey's Beauty. They reformulated their Luminous foundation, which is really good, but I'm excited for this because I love a good matte finish. They have really good makeup bags as well. You can get this brand on Amazon and of course on their website. I'm currently obsessed with their mascara. It's what I have on today. It's been my go-to. Like, I cannot stop wearing it. I love a good little satin hair tie. Thank you. And then we have their new foundations. They sent 3 different shades along with their Remix complexion sponge, which is a really good beauty blender dupe. So thank you, Hailey's Beauty. Next box, this one is actually from Rhode. So first we have the Rhode Pineapple Refresh Cleanser. This is the Peptide Lip Tint in Ribbon, which is the neutral baby pink. Pocket Blush in Freckle. This is my favorite shade. I love this on the lips as well. I think this is by far my favorite product from Rhode. And then this is the Peptide Glazing Fluid. Thank you so much, Rhode. Cozy Place is next. Oh, we have some new fall candles. I love all the cozy vibes. Whipped Caramel and Bourbon. Divine. This smells so good. It's a little 2-pack. This brand is available at Dollar General, but their stuff is actually really good. And this one is Toasted Hazelnut and Oat Milk. Love. And this one is Mahogany Driftwood. This definitely smells a little bit more masculine, but it's very clean, very fresh. And then we also have these little wax bombs here. So thank you so much, Cozy Place. Newness from ColourPop. So this is the After Hours collection. I'm not going to open up every single thing, but I will open up the eyeshadow palette so we can kind of get the theme of everything. I think I saw some people post about this. This looks really pretty. I love ColourPop eyeshadows. Oh, this is stunning. Look at these tones. They're gorgeous mauvey purpley tones. Oh, I'm excited for these, especially with my brown eyes. I think they're gonna pop with these colors. You know what? I am gonna open up the blushes. I wanna see what these look like. So we have A-Lister and Obviously. These are cream blushes. I really like the tones of this collection. Oh, wow. And then we have transfer-proof 8-hour lipsticks here. So they're all very like mauvey, more pinky tones. Oh, my mom's gonna love these shades. Doll, these are for you. Thank you, ColourPop. They are always keeping me stocked up and up to date on all the goodies. There's also lip liners in here. Oh, just kidding. Eyeshadow sticks as well. I definitely want to feature this collection in a Get Ready With Me because I really like the mauve tones. It's a little bit different than what you typically see for fall, but I like it. Ooh, what's this other thing from ColourPop? They have so many new drops. I don't even keep track anymore. Oh, Power Pout Transfer Proof 8-Hour Lipsticks. Yes, thank you ColourPop. Actually, I don't think these are all the shades, but they sent quite a few of them. I'm gonna have to do some lip swatches. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I have a coupon code with ColourPop as well. I believe it is JuicyJas or JuicyJas 10. No, it's JuicyJas, and that'll give you like 10% off. So shout out to ColourPop. Next up, oh, we have Allie Glines. She has new blushes. Her line is Revie Beauty. I actually want to do like a full video on her blushes and lip products together, but there's a blush brush and then 3 gorgeous shades. These look so pretty, very luxe. I wouldn't expect anything less from her though, because I feel like she just knows her formulas and she's a really good makeup reviewer. She's really good at what she does. Like, she's very passionate about beauty and reviewing products. Look at this packaging. This one is in Daydream. That looks so gorgeous. Very luxe packaging. It's simple, but it's classy. Thank you so much, Allie. She is so sweet. Whenever I did my collab with Milani, she did a video on everything and it was just so sweet. She's really, really kind. I would actually love to meet her. That's an influencer who is on my list to meet, hopefully in the future. The next color is in Paradise, and this is the last one in Oasis. Just stunning. Thank you, Allie. My foot is asleep. It feels like pins and needles. You can see my feet in the background. I'm just stretching them out. I feel the pins and needles. Okay, let's do another box. My light just died. Got a new light, new battery, and I got a snack. So if you're watching right now, comment the strawberry emoji because I got some strawberries. The unboxing continues. Next up, we have Dalba. Very excited about this. This is one of my favorite skincare brands on Amazon. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm constantly repurchasing the entire line from Dalba, but the First Spray Serum is by far my favorite skincare product I've ever put on my face. Even my husband loves it. So I've talked about this in 1,000,001 videos, but seriously, it is the best glowy hydrating spray. You can use it in your skincare routine, in your makeup routine. You want to shake it up and then spray your face. And then this is the White Truffle Double Serum and Cream. This is another product that me and my husband are obsessed with. So you get the serum on one side and then the cream on the other. You mix them together and it's just delicious hydrated skin. And then from the same line, we have the Double Revitalizing Serum. I just ran out of this. I've been using this in my morning routine and it is top tier. Thank you again, Dalba. Then we have a little box here, Pixie. They always have really cute packaging, like their PR boxes. Look at this. This is like a princess packaging. We have the Hydrating Milky Mist, the Glow Tonic, and then their Rose Oil Blend. I also love their Glow Tonic. I used to use this all the time on my skin. It's an exfoliating toner, and this makes your skin look like glass skin, truly all the way. I really actually love this toner, especially in the evenings. It's bomb. We have a bunch of little goodies here. Lip products, glimmery eyeshadow, mascara, and then a blush. Thank you, Pixie. Let's touch up the lip combo really quick. I have on the Traced Out lip liner from Fenty in Extra Thigh. And then I added the Odyssey lip oil gloss from Milk. This one is in the shade Experience. These are really pretty. So we have 2 creams from Skin FX. One is a peptide cream, the other one is a gel cream. Thank you. I've actually never tried anything from this brand. I kind of get nervous trying new skincare because I just have my skincare routine down to a T, like the products that I incorporate and everything, but I'm always down for trying some new things. So thank you. My mom and I appreciate it because I always share my PR in giveaways, of course, but with my mom. She gets all the goodies as well. Next up, we have Milk Makeup. Fresh new jellies, bouncing in hot. They have new shades actually now. So thank you, Milk Makeup. These are very interesting. The formula, literally, I saw so many people trying to eat these when they first came out. They do look really good. I mean, when you look at the packaging right there, but it's literally a jelly tint. So it's not like a traditional cream blush. It's gonna give you more of a stain, which I do think is really pretty. It does last a while. It's not my absolute favorite product from Milk Makeup, but it is cute. And I appreciate how Milk, I feel like they're very innovative and their products just pop in makeup. I really enjoy this brand a lot. So thank you, Milk. I also love their packaging. It's just simple, but it pops. By the way, I still smell the cuticle oil on my fingers. It's delicious. Oh, cute. It's Ciate London. So this is the entire collection. We have a mascara, eyeliner, and a little eyeshadow palette for fall. This is pretty. It kind of looks like a Huda Beauty palette, doesn't it? Thank you, Ciate London. Youth to the people. Their skincare is so good. Their cleanser is still my all-time favorite. The superfood cleanser. I know a lot of people say you don't need to have an expensive cleanser, you can buy a cheap cleanser. And although I do think that is true, but nothing that I have tried makes my skin feel as clean as this cleanser from this brand. It is next level. So good. Even their packaging, it's gorgeous. It's glass, and they have refills too, so you can keep reusing these. But this is the papaya vitamin C ginger root. Ooh, it's a lactic acid. Oh, this is a cleanser. It says exfoliate and brighten superfruit cleanser. Tell me you don't want to just drink that. That looks so good because of the papaya. Thank you, YTTP. Rare Beauty is next. I know what this is. Their holiday sets. Believe it or not, the holidays are right around the corner, which is so crazy to me because I feel like it was just the holidays, like not that long ago. Stop. Stop. Look at this. Are you kidding? This is adorable. It's a little keychain. Everything that is tiny is just so much cuter. These would make for great little stocking stuffers. It is the lotion and fragrance set. I actually love the way this smells. It's very soft, very pretty. It's actually really also comforting, so I can see why it's called the comfort line. We have the mini blush and luminize trio. This is also a really good little trio because their blushes are so pigmented that if you want to try them and you don't want to commit to the big one, you can just get the little minis. And then we have Selena's Essential Eye Duo, which comes with a mascara and a eyeshadow stick, which I actually also love both of these products. Essence, I love ya. The Slim Stick Long Lasting Creamy Texture Velvet Matte Finish. This just screams, I need to do a lip swatch video. Let's do one. 6 hour long lasting lipstick. Oh, I love lipsticks like this. A little packaging, it's just skinny. This one is in Chocoholic. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? That's perfect. Thank you. Revolution Beauty. It's the Mean Girls collection from Revolution. I actually already reviewed most of the products in this collection over, I was gonna say on my YouTube channel. You're on my YouTube channel. I did a testing new makeup. I reviewed the eyeshadow palette. It's really, really good. So thank you. So this is the little headband. Oh, this is a really pretty little bag if you're going to a concert or something and you need something see-through. Burn Book eyeshadow palette. So I'm definitely gonna include this stuff in a giveaway because I already have most of it and it's actually really good. And then we also have the cream blushes, which are also really good. Oh yeah, I also did try out their powder as well, the pink powder. This is nice and brightening and smooth. And then we also have some lippies. These I did not try because when I was in stores, I honestly just wasn't super intrigued by them. The packaging is cute, but I was like, I can live without them. Thank you, Makeup Revolution. This one is CoverGirl Clean Invisible Foundation. It says it's a clean and fragrance-free foundation. Thank you so much. I actually love CoverGirl foundations. This is what it looks like. Very simple packaging. I like it. Thank you, CoverGirl. And the last package is another CoverGirl foundation set. I always like to, usually with foundations, I don't include them in giveaways, but I will donate them. So I'll grab like my shade or 2 shades and then donate the rest. So they sent light and medium shades. Thank you, CoverGirl. I just got 2 more packages that I wanted to show you guys. This one is a collab with Tower 28 and Smart Sweets, which are delicious, by the way. The sweet fish ones are my absolute favorite. It's pretty much like a healthier alternative to regular Swedish fish and other candy. And we have the Tower 28 tinted lip balms, which give you a very light tint, super natural, not sticky. It's just like an everyday lip balm that you can pair on its own or with lip liners. So thank you for this. I love me some sweets, so this is the perfect package for me. And then we have a Being Frenchie package. If you have not tried this brand at Target, I highly recommend. The Cashmere Vanilla is my absolute favorite, but we have a bunch of lavender scented stuff here, which is perfect for little pamper December night. If you're into the lavender, this one smells really good. It's not too overwhelming or strong. So we have some body wash, the Soothing Body Serum Stick, which I love, especially before bed, right behind my ears, a candle, hair and body spray, and then the Milky body lotion. So thank you, being Frenchie. I cannot wait to use all these goodies. So that is everything for this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be doing a giveaway over on my Instagram, so make sure you guys go follow me on there. Thank you all for your continued support. Literally none of this would be possible without you, so thank you for those of you who are constantly watching, liking, commenting, even my silent viewers. I'm a silent viewer myself, so I totally get it, but I appreciate you. So virtual hug, and thank you to all the brands for sending over these goodies as well. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.